How to use fear to your advantage and achieve more things. One thing that I notice, I go through many seminars and books and training about managing fears. They are talking about how to become fearless. That is the problem. There is no such thing as being fearless. Sabi ni Stoic, anyone familiar? Stoic? Sabi niya, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Think about this, guys. I want you to pause it for a second. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. What does it mean? It simply means when we set things in our mind, di ba sabi nga ng definition of fear is false expectation appearing real. A lot of the fear is just in our heads, not in reality. So we suffer more on imagination because of our imagination, the negative things, what will happen, what if I suffer, what if I fail in all those things. We don't take action. So we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Again, this is not about being fearless, but mastering your fear. Because fear is biological to us, right? Most successful people aren't fearless. They just know how to use their own fears to be smarter and take calculated risk. When I created this workshop, I have fears too. One of the biggest fears is like, what if walang bumili ng workshop? One of the fears ang nasa sa inyo, what if mag-create ako ng ebook, walang bumili? What if I put out an online course? What ifs and all that. Unfortunately, because of those many what ifs, that is also the reason na we pretty much not doing anything at all. Di ba sabi nga nila, courage is not an absence of fear, but taking action despite of fears. The truth is, success is 80% psychology, 20% mechanics. 20% mechanics, pag sinabi natin mechanics, yung how to create an online course, how to sell your online course, how to market it, how to sell it. Most people are after the how-to. Kaya kanina tinanong ko sa iyo, have you attended a seminar na wala kang ginawa? Bumili ka ng libro, bumili ka ng online course, pero wala kang ginawa. What is the problem? It's not a how-to, because you already know how. Kaya sabi ko, I cannot just continue teaching how-to without you working on your own fears, because that is the biggest part. Later on, I'm going to teach you all the how-to that you need to know to succeed in creating an online courses. But what is the point of me sharing you guys this kung you're not taking action? So hesitation is the biggest killer. You know, have you had those moments na, bibili ko ba tong domain name na to o hindi? Should I hire this freelancer? Should I enroll in this course or not? Should I approach this influencer or not? That's the thing. That is a critical thing. That's one thing that I learned. In basketball, who loves to play basketball in here? Like an NBA player, you know, let's say a shooter, he will likely miss his shot when he hesitates his shot. Those really, really good at basketball, once they receive the ball, they're just gonna shoot it. Sabi nga ni dating shooter, si Mike Miller, I think, sabi niya, let it fly. Do not doubt, just shoot it. Because once you doubt, once you hesitate, you're gonna miss your shot. Not because you cannot make that shot, but because you hesitated. It's the same thing with what we do. Because of that fear, there will always be a lot of hesitation, right? Before you register in this program, may hesitation, right or wrong? Would it be worth it? Right? What if eto na naman ako, attend na naman ako ng seminar, bibili na naman ako, and then pag-uwi, sino nakaka-relate? Taas ang kamay. You guys know the feeling. I know, I've been there. Kaya nga sabi ko, I'm not special at all. I was able just to figure things out and find a way to take action despite of my fears, despite of my doubts, despite of my weaknesses. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.